Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to grow the full harvest world seed in the Garden Valley in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to grow the full harvest seed in the normal Garden Valley, you need to transfer it. You need to transfer the seed from the full harvest world to the Garden Valley. And to do that, you need the item named a magic mail. Okay, there are three types of the magic mail. The first one is the rare magic mail. The second one is the legendary magic mail, and the last one is the super magic mail. And then you can purchase it from the full harvest gear shop. Oh, it's available now. I'm gonna purchase it. And then you need a legendary magic mail if you want to transfer the legendary seed or a legendary item. And with this rare magic mail, you can only transfer the rare seed. Okay, I'm gonna use it guys, and I'm going to transfer there's no seed here. Okay, let me transfer this this thing, the maple tulip, or okay, my bamboo, and I'm going to send it. Okay, now the seed has been transferred to the Garden Valley, so I'm going to teleport. Hold on. Okay, this is the Garden Valley, and I'm going to open up my mailbox to claim the seed from the full harvest world. Okay, I'm gonna claim it, and then we can plant it here. I'm gonna go to the seed, and this is my maple bamboo, and we'll be able to plant the bamboo in the Garden Valley. Okay guys, and that's how you can grow the seed from the full harvest world in the Garden Valley in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.